Okay, so I got something for Santiago that he's still into the program. And probably one for bingo from the last holiday. And it just passed by. Let's see what inside of this one. Probably just to give you only delivered for today. Copy. Right. Oh, what can I open this? It's got duct tape in. Right. Alright, here we are. This is the delicious G-free. G, which stands for gluten. Now, this is food so flavorful, they'll never believe gluten-free. It was, you see what it says? It was written by Elisabeth Hasselbeck on ABC's The View. And you're probably sure every Monday through Friday on ABC is The View for the, about the Elisabeth Hasselbeck. It talks about for the daytime talk show hosts. Like a Joy Bow and even like a Whoopi Goldberg. Now she made for the gluten-free foods for that she loves. I mean, you guys, for this plenty of pages. Look at all those. I'm just going to give you guys for this sample. So isn't that great for that? Elisabeth Hasselbeck is good. Love to have for the New York Times bestseller authors of the G-free diet. So I'm just going to put the link below if you want to buy it or you can able to see it. So okay, thank you very much for Santiago or Sage Sprout. Hopefully 2021 almost coming to arrive. But thank you very much for having me more of those cookbook. Elisabeth Hasselbeck on ABC's The View. So I guess I'm hoping you guys enjoyed that. As always, thank you much for watching.